there's the flat spot. See how that thing adjusts? Sits on that bolt. And as it rotates between two glides, it pushes the tire in and out. That'd be your camber. Voila! We'll be reusing that. See, it's got a little bit of pressure on it. We got one more bolt to pull. And we should be good. Alright guys, so yesterday we had a few issues with our lower control arm being able to pull out. The top bolt there by the differential will not come fully out, therefore we couldn't remove it. What we're going to do today is lift it up completely and get the whole body set up, and we are going to unbolt the diff and see if we can get it to slide back a few inches, and hopefully then we'll be able to pull that bolt and pull the lower control arm off. And I'll do a close-up video here shortly. So here's our lower control arm. You see there where it was bolted up right there. If you look right up in there, you see our bolt, and it is hitting the diff. We believe if we pull the bolts out of the diff up on top, we'll be able to slide it back and get that bolt out and be able to replace this control arm.
So today we're working on getting this rod off, and as you can see, the bolt is up against the rear end. So our solution for that is to take out the mount bolts. There's two right here and one up here at the front, and we're not going to take them fully out. We're going to take them out enough to where we can slide this back, the rear end back differential backward, so that we just enough so that we can get this bolt out. So the things we have to take loose are this stabilizer bar that comes across here, because we can't get to the heads of our bolts with it in the way. Once we get it down and out, then we can take these loose and see how far back we can slide this, and if it'll slide back far enough to get this bolt out. Alright, so as you just saw, we got the bolt out. So I had to put some gap in it, and something had to make sure that bolt, or that special washer,
This bolt right here,
nut, stays up in there. But that's our nut.
as you can see, we have our new lower control arm. And here's our old one. Apparently when I racked it, it got it really bent out of shape. And wasn't too hard pulling it off, so hopefully it won't be too hard putting it on.